I'm Jun Chia from Medical Guardian PTE Limited. Medical Guardian PTE Limited is a startup. We are healthcare management services. We provide a platform. We provide professional medical guardians, but we're here today to talk about our agency. We are the sole agents for a UK company called Autochair. Autochair has been in the market for the last 38 years, providing automation for in transit for the infirm, the elderly, and the sick. This is something that we like to talk about because automation has been very much part of the rally call for the Singapore government for many years, both in the heavy industries, the F&B, but also now more so for the healthcare industry. While many sectors have moved towards robotics, electronics, AI technology, replacing the requirement of human resource with machines, the healthcare sector has been slightly more adverse towards this new shift in dynamics. Why is that so? Healthcare is synonymous with compassion, individual attention, warmth from the human interaction, and touch in particular is sacrosanct. Where eye contact tells of many emotional, physical, and psychological doldrums or aesthetical elations where words can never express so much as expression on a human face. Automation in the sense of the word conjures cold, heartless, faceless machines churning away without a strand of humanity. Rightly so. While robots have started to be programmed with feelings and to mimic human expressions, there is still the acknowledgement that there is nothing like a gentle human touch to heal the pain or to touch deep into a broken soul. So what makes Autochair range of products so special? Before we start going into the Autochair range of products, I'd like to introduce you to two articles that has been in our Straits Times recently. The first one is from Tan Tock Seng. It's about the rehabilitation center at Tan Tock Seng Hospital, where they're teaching carers and their relatives how to transfer a patient from a wheelchair into an ordinary car. As you can see from the transfer itself is very stressful, not just for the carer, but also for the patient, because there's issues of dignity involved, reluctance, pain, cross-infection. All these are issues that are pertinent to a physical transfer. If you look at how close the patient is to the carer or to the person who is transferring, it is one of those areas where, especially in a COVID-filled environment, it becomes more of an issue because a lot of older people are vulnerable, and therefore to actually have such close physical contact is often a source of cross-infection. There's also the element of the person who is transferring the patient. There is a lot of stress on the back, and often the patient is also fearful because if there is any doubt and there's a wobble and the patient might end up on the floor. Doing it day in and day out is very, very stressful for the carer because there is a strain on the back, but not only that, repeatedly it becomes a very strenuous chore. This second article from the SD is about an old gentleman who has been bedbound for over a year. He has a carer within the home care system. His carer has never been able to get him out of bed and give him a proper bath. Here we see three visiting nurses who have come to give him a bath. This is the inadequacy of a home care system without automation, without proper equipment, where the patient themselves are not able to have their daily needs catered for adequately. Before we go into the Autochair range of products, let me just tell you a little bit about the story about Autochair. It's a UK-based company which was founded about 30 years ago, whose founder, David Walker, has just recently passed away. He was an engineer by training. It was through a personal tragedy he went on to innovate from his heart because he is a wheelchair user himself. He fully understood the objectives he wanted to fulfill, and in his invention, he understood the relevance and the boundaries of automation in healthcare. The Autochair range of products, it provides a balance of retaining some of the human touch or involvement in the aspect of care. The balancing a need of patients and that of carer alike. The range of product is about mitigating stress, allaying elements of frustration for both patients and carers alike. It is also about minimizing cross-infection, better risk management, better patient management. It's about human dignity, and these are some of the factors that have been brought into this product range. Automating healthcare with Autochair is acknowledging how beautifully balanced are the need for compassion, humanity, and the mitigation of stress, risk factors are all material to maintaining hope for what is often a long, tiresome, and painful road ahead. It need not be. There is light at the end of a very long tunnel. Automating with Autochair provides an answer for home care, but it's also a translational technology because the same equipment can also be used in vehicles. Therefore, it is about automating transit and automating home care. Let me introduce you to the Autochair range of products. We have the Smart Transfer, which is a person transfer from wheelchair into an ordinary car seat. The Smart Lifter, which is a power chair, scooter, wheelchair lifter affixed to the back of the car, or the Smart Base, which can be used in homes. The Smart Transfer and the Smart Lifter both have got the approval from the LTA to be affixed in cars here in Singapore. The Smart Transfer is a person transfer from wheelchair into an ordinary seat. The Smart Transfer is already LTA approved. All that's in the car is a shaft which is installed, pre-installed, and you have a mechanical arm called a Milford arm attached to it. It's a very simple attachment. It takes only 3 steps. You have automating transit by being able to lift the person from the wheelchair into an ordinary car seat at the press of a button. To dismantle the arm and to put it on a Smart Base, you have the same mechanism, a lifting mechanism for home use. And that is the beauty of the Autochair range of products because it's translational. You can use it in transit, automation in transit, as well as automation in home care. The Autochair range of products are well made. They are made with safety in mind, and they come with all the certifications. They're certified by the LTA for use here in Singapore. There is a demonstrator vehicle affixed with a Smart Transfer and a Smart Lifter for demonstration, and we have the Smart Base in our offices. Let us know if you'd like to have a look, because it's only by looking at the products itself, the equipment itself, that one appreciates how important this product is for not just a rehabilitation purpose, for home care, institutional care, because this is the answer to a manpower lean society, an aging society, with help from equipment that is translational, equipment that automates transit, but automates home care too. Autochair has the answer. It provides the equipment that can be used in transit. At the same time, the same equipment can be used in home care. This is the beauty of Autochair. As we conclude this presentation, we would like to show you 2 videos. The first is taken in the Autochair manufacturing base. They've just installed a Smart Lifter to lift a 143 kilo powered scooter. The second is a lifestyle promotional video. It shows the the many applications of the Autochair range of products.
Go.
Amma, me and Mummy are going to the park today. Can you please just come with us, please?
Ayo, Amma already. Amma in a wheelchair, so mafan. You go with Mummy lah.
Ma, it's okay. Let's go.
Ayah, I'm in a wheelchair, so mafan. You go ahead lah.
Ma, trust me. Let's go when you see what I mean.
What is that?
Ma, don't worry. Trust me. Can you lean forward a little bit? Yes. Everything will be okay. Trust me.
What?
I think you're all good. All ready. Ma, with this we can bring you out more often. We can even use this at home, you know?
What do you mean?
It's much more safer and easier to move you from the bed to your wheelchair to your commode or even to join us watching TV on the sofa.
Thank you for watching.